Hello everyone! For today, I'm gonna make my own almusal, which is a sandwich. And I'm gonna cook my own almusal for today because Tia is having a day off. And I suggested Mimi that I will make my own breakfast. So let's start. First, let's stir the egg. I'm kind of nervous because it's my first time cooking. So I'm really excited to make my own eggs. I want to taste it, that I forgot to put an oil. Then next we're gonna put the egg. I put the egg. Maybe this is gonna taste horrible. I don't know my feelings if I'll get nervous or excited. Can we flip it over? Oh yay! I make it right. Yay! I made it! Slowly. Next, I'm gonna turn it off. Prepare my beef next. Should I add some salt also on the beef?
No.
How should I make it? Should I just
First,
put
you
it?
put oil.
Oh, okay. I thought the oil that I put was enough. Should I add a little bit or much?
A little bit.
I'll just put the beef, then I'll throw the paper away. I'm excited for my sandwich. After this, you could watch me make my own sandwich. It smells nice. Maybe every time that Tia will day off, maybe I should start cooking my own breakfast. Oh my God! Finally!
Wow.
So guys, I'm gonna wash my hands first because it's oily. Yay! And I'm done washing my hands. And next is I'm gonna make my own sandwich. So I'm excited because I'm gonna taste my own cook. So yeah. Ta-da! And then last thing, the cheese.
Wow.
Look at my sandwich. I don't really like some dressing, mayonnaise, lettuce. I don't want those. I just want the basic one. Cheese, a beef, and an egg. I mean, taste test. Not familiar to me because I taste one of the Jollibee's burger and it looks like and it tastes like this. So I really like it, but there's just one missing thing from this sandwich and the Jollibee's burger. It's just I think it's mayonnaise or the dressing. But I like this the most because it's my cook. So I'll rate it 10 out of 10 because it's my own cook and it's yummy also. So that's it and goodbye.